Porcelain tile versus ceramic tile. Key differences and which is best for your home. Dear friends, when choosing tiles for your home, porcelain and ceramic tiles are two of the most popular options. While they look similar, their properties and performance are quite different. Understanding these differences will help you make the right choice for your house. Ceramic tiles are made from natural clay and fired at a lower temperature. They are lighter, easier to cut, and generally more affordable. Ceramic tiles work well for wall applications, low traffic rooms, and decorative purposes. They are available in many colors and designs, making them a good choice for budget-friendly interiors. Porcelain tiles, on the other hand, are made from refined clay and fired at much higher temperatures. This process makes them denser, harder, and less porous. Porcelain tiles absorb very little water, which makes them ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, balconies, and outdoor areas. They are also highly resistant to scratches and stains. In terms of durability, porcelain tiles clearly have an advantage. They can handle heavy foot traffic and last for many years with minimal maintenance. Ceramic tiles, while attractive, may chip or wear faster in high-use areas. So, which one is better for your house? If you want long-term durability and moisture resistance, porcelain tiles are the better investment. If you're focusing on walls or want a cost-effective solution, ceramic tiles are perfectly suitable. Choose based on your space, usage, and budget for the best results. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.